This video is a brief description of the Marshall Best Security Grade 1 lever handle lock. At the end of the box you'll notice the label, which has all of the information to contain the model, the function, the backset, and of course the finish, which would normally match your facility. Let's take a look in the box. All Marshall Best Grade 1 lever locks will come packaged in the same manner, whether it's an entrance function, classroom function, or storeroom function. First, you're going to find the installation template. This will have the through-bolt hole pattern along with the chassis cutout pattern. In addition, there will be measurements for the backset of the latch, which can be lined up with the edge of the door as marked on the template. Next, you have the installation guide. It shows how to install a cylindrical lever lock. At the top of the guide, you will notice the exploded view of all of the components along with the proper nomenclature. Once you are familiar with the components and are ready to install the lock, simply follow the step-by-step instructions outlined in the guide. Now let's take a look at the chassis. This is the primary component of the lock. You may remove the cardboard on the end. This is simply for shipping purposes. Carefully unwrap the lock. You'll notice the majority of it is already pre-assembled to include the through-bolt retainer and the push button. This lock is an entrance function lock. Next, we have the interior rose liner and cover. This comes in two parts. This is the rose cover, and this is the inside rose liner. In addition, you will have a grade 1 2 3/4 back set latch bolt included with the lock set. You will also receive a packet of fasteners to attach the lock to the door, to include a throw member that will be inserted in the core at the end of the installation. You'll receive a new strike plate. It does come with a protective cover, which can be peeled off after installation. At the bottom of the box, there will be a cardboard separator. Simply discard, and there you will find your interior handle. This will match the cutout for the push button on the chassis. Lastly, you will receive a spanner wrench. This is designed to tighten down the inside rose liner once the lock is installed on the door. Thank you for watching.